There's an old case going back to 1977, and it's entitled Abood versus Detroit Board of Education. In that case, the court held that public employee unions, because they have a duty of fair representation towards every member of the bargaining unit, have a right to assess what we call a fair share fee for the costs of representing employees even though they may not be members of the union. That case is under scrutiny by the Supreme Court in the Friedrichs versus California Teachers Association case. And there, the plaintiff is arguing that it is unconstitutional as a violation of her First Amendment rights to freedom of association and freedom of speech to require her to pay any fee to the union. The union argues that she really wants to be a free rider, that is, accept all the benefits of union representation, that is, the benefits of the collective bargaining agreement and the benefits of being represented in grievance procedures and in disciplinary matters, but she doesn't want to pay anything for that privilege. Every member, because of this case, has an obligation and an opportunity to work with their co-workers who aren't presently a member of the union and demonstrate to them and work with them to understand why the union is important. And our responsibility as members of MAPE is to make sure that those people who aren't members of our union understand the consequences of them not contributing to the union, the consequences of having a weak union that instead of meet and negotiating is meeting and begging. And they need to understand that that's what will happen if the union is significantly weakened financially. So we look at it as a challenge and an opportunity to build our unions, and if we can show the members of our bargaining unit the value of a union and how we make their working lives better, then we will become even stronger.